I need to fit behind though.
Shit. They fit perfect. Now we're recording, so stop arguing with me. You're just arguing with me for no reason.
Why are you recording right now? Doesn't it have like 5 minutes?
Got about 10 minutes. Just want to record your nonsense. Just yelling at me for no reason.
You're good. Go. Go to the firewall. Go. Say
hi.
Hello.
Sorry.
Stop, dude.
You think I fit? Are you sure?
She know who you are?
Yeah, but she doesn't know it yet.
She coming on this side? Hello.
Aldo.
For Aldo? I didn't even see your face.
Sorry.
My bad.
It's okay. We're gonna have 2 separate orders.
Okay.
You want one?
Yeah.
Alright. May I please have a grilled wrap?
Absolutely. Meal or wrap?
The meal, but with spicy fried chicken. Do you know how to do that? Spicy fried.
Yeah, with
Yeah.
okay. Is it beverage?
What is it?
May I? Not the meal. Not the meal.
Okay, not the meal.
Sorry about that. Spicy chicken.
Is it good?
Yeah. It's healthy too. I've been losing weight.
What is it cooked?
Yeah.
Can I get the same thing but the meal? Wait, is that the number 8?
Yeah.
Oh, never mind.
Try it.
It's hella expensive too. I'd rather just get. Can I get the number 2? Just not the deluxe, just regular meal.
Is it beverage?
No. Can I get lemonade, please?
Any sauces for you today? You guys are good to go. You're gonna pay right at the red button.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you. Hey, girl.
How are you?
I'm good. How about yourself?
Are you scanning?
Apple Pay.
Oh, okay.
You got me?
Tripping. Has it been busy today?
No, I've literally
No?
been outside parking the time and I've just been standing there like, but no one's paying my car.
Here's the next one.
The second one, 1479.
1479 for my boy Jesse. Yeah, it's such a pay.
You work tomorrow?
I do in the nighttime.
Sure, me too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. I'll see you then. Peace. Bye, Felicia.
Bye.
Oh, nothing, sweetheart.
You said don't.
Fucking dumb. I'm just kidding. Hey, why'd you say damn?
For what?
Hey. RJ! You're a bitch.
Who's that? Is that?
No. Yeah. Hey, Elsa. Yes.
Oh, bye, please.
You just pissed me off. I was calling you. I was like, RJ. You're a hater. You're a fucking hater. I'd be like, I'd be like, hey, bro, Jesse says that your prices are too high.
You told him that? Come on.
Dude, why do you need to call your girl?
Dude, I know you're recording, bro. You're
Fucking Mandilon.
Come on.
Video.
Hello? Good job. Good job. If you would have answered, I would have been like, why you answering random numbers? No, I'm just kidding. No, but yeah, it's me. We just got Chick-Fil-A. We're about to eat it, and then I'm gonna go home after. Okay. Working? Okay, but damn, baby, your voice sounds hella sexy. Okay, boys, man, I love you.
Oh my god.
Okay, text you when I get home, okay? Okay, I love you. You know I'm such a good boyfriend, bro. Look at, I'm out here like remembering your number, like all this shit, bro. I'm a good ass boyfriend. Okay, boys, all right, love you. You're recording, you're a bitch. You're a bitch. Hey,
What's what?
you put a little bit of the avocado sauce again? That shit's pretty good.
Yeah. Damn, you got 2 sandwiches. Full of carbs.
You can't just not eat carbs. You gotta eat a little bit of carbs. I never eat bread no more.
Gives you a good amount, huh? So yeah, this is a little mukbang.
So, avocado, what is that? Avocado dressing with sriracha sauce and ranch.
Avocado lime ranch.
Guys, I don't like pickles, but these pickles with this and a couple fries. Actually, just one fry because this is like a perfect fucking circle. It's pretty good. I got what you need.
I think we should prank Kevin, bro.
Ah,
But what should we do?
we should stick our fingers up to his... There, you bitch.
You like the sauce?
Wow.
All right, but we're gonna do the blazing wing challenge, right?
Probably just eat like one or two. I'm going.
Winner gets $1,000. So
It's a bet?
if you win, you get $1,000. If I win, then I just keep my 1,000. But the thing is, I know I'm gonna win. So
I eat spicier foods though. I can handle the heat.
no,
I can.
I'll win though. Or maybe he will. I don't know. Oh damn!
Why did you turn it off and just turn it back on again?
I don't fucking know. Okay, buddy.
You know what they say, muscle weighs more than fat. So,
Not with your body. You got a little bit more fat.
nah.
This guy used to call me fat when I was a kid.
You actually were fat as shit.
I look at you, so don't deny it.
I'm not even fucking that fat. A little fat, but not that fat. Everyone got body fat, you know?
You got extreme, bud. Look, you can't even fucking breathe.
You're stupid.
You look at that. You heard that? I'll replay it. You got extreme, bud. Look, you can't even. 2 sandwiches. 2 sandwiches.
And a fry.
Fried. Soda.
Soda?
Lemonade. Extremely sugary. You know how much sugar is in there? I know how much sugar is in that. So much sugar. Oh my god. Might as well just get a diet because the diet is plain up. Straight up.
Diet lemon there?
Yeah. It's not sugar. We don't add sugar to it.
You could get diet lemonade.
VVS is in my ear. The young boy. Alright, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, share, favorite. This is my brother from another mother.
Hey.
Yeah. Artificially blood related. You know what I mean?
Yep.
But
You
yeah, I
know
hope
the
you
vibes. Sorry, I'm looking down.
Yeah.
I keep looking down, my bad.
You
You know the vibes.
You know the vibes. Alright, y'all. Peace.
Oh shit, I haven't